Hello, and welcome to this yoga practice for activating, stimulating, and awakening your sexual energy. This yoga practice and the postures that I'm sharing are not just about stimulating the sexiness or sensuality within, it is also about tapping into your source of creativity. What I want to share is that this practice will activate the second chakra. The second chakra is slightly below the navel. It sits right around the sex organs. And so, as we move in and out of these practices, as we breathe and bring awareness to this chakra center, you will feel this sense of sensuality. You will activate your sexual center, the sexual flow that moves within you, but you will also feel that a vibrant source of creativity that lives within. Let's get started. We're going to start in a comfortable cross-leg position. So go on and find your way there. Cross those legs. And then I want you to bring your index fingers and your thumbs to touch. And you're creating like this inverted triangle. And you're going to place that right around your second chakra, slightly below your navel. And I invite you to close your eyes, relax the shoulders, lift your heart, and breathe. As you breathe in and out of your nose slowly, bring your internal awareness right at your second chakra. And as I guide you through this moment, I want you to think about your personal intention. Do you want to stimulate a little more creativity? Do you want to heal your wound? Do you want to be a little more sensual for yourself or for your partner? Just overall, you want to create a little more fluidity in your life. So whatever your intention is, allow that to pulsate through your body. Allow that to sit sweetly in your mind as you move through your practice. And allow it to be a reminder as you breathe, as you fold, as you bend, as you extend, and as you activate your sexual energy, as you magnify your creative fluidity that lives inside of you. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, empty out. And then slowly open your eyes. Place your hands on your knees. We're going to start out with some Sufi grinds, really simple and easy. So you're going to inhale, bring your chest forward, and as you exhale, round the back. Inhale, chest forward, shift your ribcage over to the right, round the back, body over to the left. So you're creating this nice big circle with your spine, but you will feel your hips starting to shift because you are shifting the weight from right to left. Inhale forward, exhale round. So you can go nice and slow. You can even close your eyes and continue to allow your awareness to stay right at your second chakra, or you can take it a little bit faster. Taking a few more circles here. Keeping those hips grounded into the earth. And come back to center, breathe in. Float the arms high overhead. Reach through your fingertips. And as you exhale, fan your hands down, allow your fingertips to touch the earth. Close your eyes once again, take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale gently out of the mouth. Float those hands back to your knees, and we're going to go on to the other side. So inhale, chest forward, shift the body over to the left, round the back, body over to the right. Nice big circles. So you can imagine you're just starting to stir and activate, right, that Kundalini energy that sits at the base of your spine. So Sufi grinds are perfect for that, but they are also perfect for starting to activate the hips. And the hip area is governed by the second chakra, the sacral center. Let's take about 2 or 3 more nice big circles. Again, moving at the pace that works for you. And 1 more. Inhale, come back to center. Extend the arms high into the sky. Relax your shoulders, but reach and elongate through your side body. And then exhale, fan the hands down. Fingertips to the earth. Take another deep breath in through your nose. Exhale out of your mouth. And then we're going to slowly make our way over to our hands and knees. So you're going to come onto all fours. And make sure your wrists are underneath your shoulders, knees are underneath your hips. And we're going to start to just swing the hips from right to left. So just let those hips move a little bit from right to left. I do want you to know that as we move through our practice, we're going to stay low to the ground here. And this practice can be done, because it is pretty chill, it can be done in the morning. It can also be done in the evening, because it's not terribly intense. All right, bring your body back to neutral. I'm going to come right into some cat-cows. So you're going to inhale, drop the belly, lift your heart. Exhale, round the back, chin to chest. So as we take these cat-cow motions, moving through up and round, right? Meaning the heart lifts up and then you round the spine, the pelvis will move. So you inhale and exhale as you move through. Find that rhythm that's going to work for you. And each time you inhale, think about the sits bone splaying behind you. And let's take about 3 more. Inhale, lift the chest, hold the breath. And then as you exhale, bring your big toes to touch, let your knees separate, go wide. Allow your hips to sink right by your heels. And we're going to drift into a nice child's pose. And so the arms can just relax and rest wherever it feels comfortable for you. Now as we pause here for a few breaths, bring your awareness right below your navel, right around your second chakra. And allow your thoughts to come back to your intention for your practice today. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, empty out. Slowly begin to lift your upper body. Now you have an option for this next movement. You can cross the ankles or allow your hips to rest on your heels, right? So again, come back to a cross-leg position, our hips resting on the heels. We're going to move the spine a little bit, but we're going to do this with some really big, expansive breaths. Yeah? So I'm going to turn a little bit to the side here so you can really feel and see the motion. If you really need to take a look, place the hands on your thighs, just like our cat and cow. You're going to inhale, lift the chest, but the pelvis is going to tip back. And as you exhale, round the back, kind of scoop it in, meaning the pelvis will scoop in. Inhale, lift, exhale, round. Now that you have the motion, we're going to add some big breaths. In through the nose and then out through the mouth. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Only a few more. Inhale, center. Hold the breath. Squeeze right at the base of your perineum. Draw your navel in. Keep holding the breath if you can. And exhale, empty out. And take a few moments. Close the eyes if they're not already closed. Allow the backs of your hands to rest on your legs. And with the eyes closed, bring your internal awareness first at your brow, your first eye, and then allow that awareness to slowly float past your throat, your heart, your solar plexus, which is above your navel, and then bring all of your awareness right to your sacral center. Observe and notice any sensations, or simply just be and breathe. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, empty out. And if you're still sitting on your heels, go on and release. We're going to come into a bound angle pose, Baddha Konasana. So the soles of the feet are going to touch. But instead of drawing the heels all the way towards the body, I want you to leave some space. Grab hold of your ankles, your shins. And again, that same spinal flexion movement, we're going to do it here in our bound angle. So inhale, lift, exhale, round. And on this one, if you want to lift the chin a little bit, you totally can. Inhale and exhale. Now this one, I definitely encourage you to take it a little bit slower, right? Unless you want to go fast. But inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, center. And then as you exhale, start to slowly fold forward. So as you take the forward fold, don't feel like your head needs to touch your feet. It's not about that. Just place your hands out in front of you. Palms can rest on the mat. Allow the spine to round. The chin will soften in toward your chest. If this becomes too much, if you have some pillows or blocks or books, you can place those under your thighs. Just give yourself 5 deep breaths here. As we take this forward fold, we're actually compressing that sacral center, providing a little massage to our internal organs. And as I shared earlier, the sacral center is about fluidity. So this practice is also great if you're feeling stuck or trapped in some realm of your life. Which really makes sense, because if you're activating that sense of creativity, if you're feeling stuck, maybe you need to harness ways, right? Harness and cultivate creative ways in order to feel less trapped, less stuck. Creating a little more openness and freedom to find your flow. All right, take a deep breath in. Exhale, empty out. Slowly begin to lift your body. And if you need to, you can shake those legs out a little bit. You're going to come back into a cross-leg position wherever it's comfortable for you. Bring your palms, rub them together a little bit. Create that inverted triangle, placing that right below your navel. Close the eyes or cast them down low. and just be. Taking a few breaths to return to our starting place. And as you take these few breaths, notice any shifts and changes that may have occurred during our practice together. Notice how you were feeling a little more calm, a little more grounded. You've taken time to tap into your breath, to get into your body, to open up those hips a bit. And maybe even emotionally, you've released something. There's one thing about the sacral center, the hip area, we hold lots of emotions, lots of heavy attachments. And maybe this practice supported you in letting go. Take another deep breath in. Exhale, empty out. Bring your palms together. Thank yourself for showing up. And I thank you for joining me. Ciao.